Here's some new fishing gear I got from my mom's friends. And so I got this little hook grabber, the scale, and then we have this whole new box right here. I took a bunch of some crankbaits, jerk baits, this little lipless crankbait, that's pocket knife bobber. This punches a hole in your jigs, like when the paint covers it. Some bobber, some soft plastics, more of the jerk baits, some spinner baits, more crankbaits, a bunch of weights, some little jig heads, and this knife sharpener. And then this for my aunt I got. It's a Green Bay Packers spoon. It is funny. And that's all I got.